अब हम बात करते हैं लमार्किज्म के ऊपर। लमार्क कौन था? सो जीन बैप्टिस्ट लमार्क was simply known as Lamarck, a French biologist था। 1744 और 1829 है, one of the proponents of the idea of evolution, and he, like many others in that era, believed that the evolution has taken place in accordance with the natural laws। और इस थ्योरी को नाम दिया गया लमार्किज्म या थ्योरी ऑफ इनहेरिटेंस ऑफ एक्वायर्ड कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स। उसने अपनी बुक थ्योरी ऑफ एवोल्यूशन इन हिज बुक फिलोसफी जूलॉजिके in French in 1809 लिखी। In view of the Lamarck, process of evolution जो था is like a ladder of life, proceeding from simple to complex level of organism with a view of modification of characters of organism during its lifetime। His proposed theory of acquired characteristics consists of the following postulate। पहला ये था कि use and disuse of organs, secondly inheritance of the acquired characteristics। use and disuse में आता है in the view of Lamarck, an organism under the influence of internal external factor जो है either frequently use हो रहा है या फिर disuse हो जाता है, and during its persistent effort of doing so या undergo करता है discussion are either developed more या फिर become stronger to more usage or become weaker and due to disease खत्म हो जाए बिल्कुल। Thus act as a consequence of constant effects of use or disuse generation। After generation cumulative effect is seen either or as either stronger or degenerating organ। He stated that example of existing giraffe with a long neck and long forelimbs. According to him, the ancestral giraffe had short neck and forelimbs. They fed upon the vegetation on ground, somehow either due to the flooding of ground or else vegetation जो disappear कर गई, forcing the ancestral giraffe to feed upon the foliage of the trees very high above the ground level. So they had to gradually lift up the neck to pluck the leaves। एज अ रिजल्ट कंटिन्यूस एफर्ट से स्ट्रेंथिंग ऑफ द नेक होती गई, फोर लिम्स जो थी बड़ी होती गई, मसल डेवलप स्ट्रॉन्गर एंड स्ट्रॉन्गर जनरेशन आफ्टर जनरेशन फाइनली ट्रांसफॉर्म टू एग्जिस्टिंग जिराफ विद लॉन्ग हाई नेक। Longer the forelimbs, he termed as the adaptive feature as acquired characters। Inheritance of acquired characters की बात करें तो Lamarck believed in the that characters जो हैं acquire होते हैं during the lifetime of an individual and due to use or disuse of organs was inherited to their offspring। Thus individuals of the new generation were having stronger muscles of the neck as well as the forelimbs। Finally, as a continuous inheritance outcome जो था is the existing giraffe। Hypothesized when Lamarck was criticized in his days for advocating the idea of evolution from mechanism, he proposed Lamarck's theory जो inheritance की the acquired characteristics was criticized by August Weismann and Cuvier on its genetic basis की वजह से। On the other hand, Charles Lyell and August strongly supported and promoted the ideology of Lamarck। Although Lamarck's idea were rejected, interest in his idea had recently resurfaced। He may not have been correct with the long necked giraffe example, but on the fundamental level देखा जाए तो he was describing the epigenetics, which deals with the study of behaviors, environmental exposures, on the other external factors, and may alter how DNA is read। DNA के reading में भी alter कर सकता है and used to express certain proteins। Drawbacks of Lamarckism देखा जाए तो though theoretically seem plausible, yet Lamarck theory has no experimental support या theoretical basis पर ही जिंदा है। Also, the idea of development of acquired characteristics has no genetic basis, and it seems that they influence on the somatic cells rather than the germ cells involved in the inheritance। So, how could be that the acquired characteristics are inherited to the next generation without affecting the germ cells? As a fact, it is also noted that organisms are not modified by the wish of the organism। Also, Lamarckism जो है fail करता है to account for the genetic variability found in the species। फिर है डार्विनिज्म और इसके आगे एक्सप्लेनेशन, वो हम नेक्स्ट वीडियोस में देखेंगे।